got to be a bad day for that guy. But what are your thoughts about
Okay,
that?
okay. First of all, when you showed the first time and it was kind of small and it didn't have any sound, I was like, Landon, what are you showing me?
It's just a
It's
tree.
just a tree falling. That's why I asked you how many views it have.
Okay.
Why have too many likes?
Think
Why it had
because
4,000 something likes? Why? Why you someone was filming that? Why? This guy was just a neighbor. He was like, boop. Whoa. Oh, 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 he's gonna die. He's gonna die. Oh, he didn't die. Oh, boop, boop, upload.